underneath the CN towers glow. We walk the paths where lovers go, whispered promises of days ahead, but in our hearts the doubts they spread. If you ever need to find me, dear, I'll be by the lake. Memories clear, we danced till dawn on those city nights, held each other under neon lights. On the streets of Toronto, warm and white, we watched the city lights collide. You said forever is our time, we both knew it was just a line. If you need me, you know where I'll be, down on Queen Street, dreaming free. Oh, you're the sun in my skyline, though you're bittersweet in my heart. I could carry your love through the summer and still fall apart. By the edge of Lake Ontario's glow, we traced the shore, moving slow. I held your hand, but the feeling flew. The city calls, away we go. With every sunset comes a new start. I carry you close to my heart. Oh, you're the sun in my skyline, though you're bittersweet in my heart. I could carry your love through the summer and still fall apart. Even when the nights grow long, you're the verse in every song. Though the memories are strong, I'll be where we both belong. Oh, you're the sun in my skyline, though you're bittersweet in my heart. I could carry your love through the summer and still fall apart.